Everything in life has a meaning, even the simplest so-called mundane tasks. They have a deeper meaning. They make something happen inside of you. I just finished washing the windows of my house. You would say, oh, wow, what the hell does that have to mean with anything? Well, backstory. I hate washing windows. It's a big house, big windows, and these windows haven't been washed for a long time. Now, what I realized after now finishing is that washing windows or doing any mundane cleaning tasks or any task is the same as washing your internal landscape. Let me follow through with this analogy. Every time I came into the living room, I would look outside and I would notice, oh, I can't properly see outside because the window is so dirty, and it annoyed me. But it didn't push me enough to do something about it. Like, yeah, I really need to wash the windows, but I don't feel like doing it. So every day this would repeat itself. I would look at the window outside and like, dirty. I can't see far enough. My vision is clogged. But I'm not triggered enough to do something about it. And yesterday I felt like, wow, tomorrow I'm really gonna clean. I feel like a cleaning day. And then I started cleaning the windows and had so much resistance starting because I really don't like it. And now I realize that it probably hasn't had maybe a little, but very little to do with the actual windows, because this represents cleaning my internal landscape. I don't even need to know what I'm cleaning up, but I just need to continue with the cleaning part. So start with one window. Even if you have to wash 20 windows, let's say you clean the entire house, you have to wash 20 windows, and the work feels so overwhelming that you just don't start. So you wash and start one side, one window, inside or outside, and then like, wow, this really makes a difference. Let me do the other side as well. Oh damn, I can see again. I can see outside my house. I can see what's inside me. I can see what's outside of me. My vision isn't clogged anymore. I'm not seeing blurry stuff. And this gives you motivation to go to the next window and to the next window. And I had to say, after 3 windows, I was like, fuck, this is hard. I really don't want to continue. So I took a break and I did another window. And I was like, okay, I'm halfway through. I'm not stopping now. And then I pushed through till the end. And then I looked and I saw everything. I saw the landscape. I saw through the windows. I was like, someone switched the light on. And it was beautiful just because I gave attention to what's happening inside of me and what's manifesting in the outside world. Now you might think this is bonkers, or maybe this is resonating. I don't know. But the message here is, what you're resisting is your medicine. For me, this was washing the windows. Maybe it's some other cleaning task. Maybe it's something completely unrelated to what I'm telling you. But it's in front of you, and you know what it is. You know what it's keep bringing up resistance to you. And it's actually not that much work to handle or to resolve or to tackle, whatever. You just need to start with one little thing. Maybe it's washing one dish. And then being mindful, because during the whole cleaning of this landscape, renovating or whatever, I was very aware that I was cleaning my inside. That sounds wrong. But I was cleaning my internal system. It's not by sitting on a chair for an hour or doing breathwork or all the things I talk about. Yes, they're great. But you also do the work in the most mundane things. I clean up stuff that I don't know about, and I feel so much lighter. And it feels great to live in a clean house. The healing is to be found in the small things. Every day. Not in the biggest ceremonies, but in the smallest tasks. Where you can be mindful, where you can be present in what you're doing, and where you can see that it's all related. Everything you're doing is related. You're always progressing. Even when you're doing the dishes, even when you're cleaning the house, even when you're on the toilet, you're always progressing. And sometimes you forget, and that's okay. as long as you remember after a while. And those periods will come and they will go again. But you have the power to clean up your internal landscape. To go and clean a window. See what it does with you. You can imagine like actually cleansing your heart space. And that makes you feel light. And that's what the Conscious Manual is all about, making you feel light. So I help you to love yourself, so you can love your light and create the reality that you actually want. I said light, create the light. I meant life, but light is brilliant as well. Another spontaneous podcast, YouTube episode, wherever you're listening or watching, after I've been away for a while. Not away in real life, maybe in what is real, what is not, whatever. Let's not gonna go there. But I have been making episodes for a while, and I felt like this big urge now to come online again. I'll see where it takes me. Just follow what feels right in the moment. Maybe I'll make many more, maybe I'll make less, I don't know. But keep cleansing, however that looks like, and enjoy yourself in the moment. Take care, and remember, as always, you are epic. Ciao, ciao.